Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. So Carnival is coming up, and if I'm not mistaken, it starts like the 27th of February and then ends somewhere in the beginning of March. I don't know, like 4th of March maybe? I'm not 100%, so don't quote me on that. But if you are looking for a last minute easy, what you already have in your closet, in your makeup kind of costume for Carnival, or if you just want to have this because it's cute, I mean, either way you can't go wrong. But today we're doing the cheetah makeup look and let's get to it. The first thing that I would like to tell you is that I did my base like I do my everyday base, except I changed the blush to this one, which is the Makeup Revolution Blusher Reloaded Rose Kiss, and the shade right here, and I applied it to the outer part of my face instead of the whole thing, just so that the design will be more in the focus. That is the only thing I changed up from my everyday routine, and I'll try to link it here so that you know the base that I'm working with. I want to do a very subtle eyeshadow right here because I want to define the eyes a little bit. I want to do an eyeliner as well, and I want to put on fake lashes because it is a Carnival makeup look, so we're doing the whole shebang. Now the first thing that I want to do is take the Depend eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with this brown right here in the middle, and I'm using a firm round eyeshadow brush, and I'm placing this in the outer corner of my eye, bringing it up into my crease, but also, hold on, let me see if I can do this, but I'm also going to bring it down to my lower lash line in the outer corner. And the reason why I'm using this color and not a darker one is because I want to just define the eyes a little bit, but I don't want to take away from the design itself. Then I will take just a fluffy eyeshadow brush and blend this just gently. Then I want to put on a highlighter, and I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Cheek Kit Take a Breather, and for this I think I'm going to go for warm tones like this, and I always take a big fluffy brush for the larger parts of my face. And I take a fluffy eyeshadow brush like so for my eyebrow bone, my nose, on the eyelid. This is basically my everyday makeup where I use my bronzer as my eyeshadow and highlighter as an eyeshadow as well. And this is just to bring depth and a little bit of detail to the eyes without overpowering the design that will come later. Maybe do a really small brush like so for the inner corner. I don't care if I draw on top of this later, but at least the foundation of the look is there. Then I'm taking my H&M Dip Eyeliner Ink, and I'm just gonna line my lips. I have a eyeliner tutorial that I can try and link up here. Then I want to put on mascara, and I'm only putting it on my upper lashes, and the reason why I also put eyeliner on is to help the false lashes because they are outer corner lash, so it will help with the look, with the shape of the eye essentially. And so before I put mascara on, I would like to curl my lashes. Then I'm taking the Maybelline, the Colossal mascara that looks like this, and I'm putting that on my upper lashes only. The next thing that I want to do is put on some eyeliner in my waterline. So I'm taking a twist up eyeliner pencil. This one has no brand, and I'm putting that in the outer corner of my upper waterline. Now to the design part of things. I think that this is the part where you're here for. Then I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Game of Thrones, and I think what I decided on my hand is that I'm going in with Crow, which is this one right here. And if you don't have this makeup palette, just use a really dark brown, because that is what this is. And I'm taking a painter's pencil or painter's brush, and this small one is great for details. It's from a dollar market somewhere in Europe, like a dollar store, but European version of it. I will take a fluffy brush first because the base of it all stems from one place. Then we will do the detail brush, and now the cheetah print has dots. You need to be aware of which animal you are doing, because actually that would be right here. The cheetah, the leopard, I forget the name of the third one, they all have different prints, but the cheetah one, I'm looking at the picture, it's the cheetah that I have in mind, that is dots, same color. You just want to draw like little freckles. found a solution for my lipstick because I don't have brown lipstick. I just realized. I thought I had, but I don't. So we need to do something about that. First, I want to line my lips. So I'm taking the W7, the all-rounder in the shade Fling. That looks like so. The reason I'm lining my lips is so that I can get an ideal of the shape that I want. Now it's time to line it. The same eyeshadow that I've been using, drawing the dots and whatnot, is going to be the liner. To get a good glide, I do recommend putting some Vaseline on your lips and then wiping off most of it. That way you have something to glide the eyeshadow on and it doesn't dry out your lips. Then I'm taking a flat brush like so, and I'm taking the Call of the same eyeshadow palette, so this brown right here, and I am putting that on the rest of my lips. Changed my mind. I think I want to go in with Castle, which is this one on the end right here. Now that everything is done except for the false lashes, we want to move on to the false lashes. So the false lashes that I'm using today is the SoSu 7 Deadly Sins in Envy. That looks like so. I don't know much about lash application, but what I do know is that you should start with what you consider your bad eye, the one that you feel like you have to work the hardest with, because it's easier to match your good eye to your bad eye than it is to match your good eye that you improve by putting eyelashes on, the bad eye to an even better eye, if that makes sense. Then to finish this look off, I just want to put on some setting spray, and I'm taking the W7 the Dewy Fixer that looks like this and setting the face. And here you have it, a cheetah inspired makeup look. And what I didn't think about when I did my hairstyle is that these can be like the cute little cheetah ears, which makes this hairstyle work with this makeup look as well. And the costume that you can do with this, if you're doing something last minute, you can do cheetah print, you can do leopard, because it's last minute, you can get away with leopard. I know some people will come and be like, no, 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 it's last minute, that's what we're doing. And if you don't have that, most stores, if you don't have it in a closet, most stores have basic stuff that is black or brown, and you can get away with combining both black and brown with this. You can even go full black and let the makeup be what identifies you, if that is what you want to do. Look at a cheetah and see the colors, and you can go pretty light tan in your clothing to match the cheetah. You can go as dark as you want and as light as you want, but stay in the neutral colors for a more cohesive look. And definitely do the Vaseline on your lips and wipe off the excess of the Vaseline before you do the eyeshadow if you don't have a brown lipstick, which turns out I didn't have. I thought I didn't have it. So this is a nice compromise. I kind of like it. It's cute. I feel adorable in this. And so that is everything I have for you today, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. I want to thank all of my subscribers, everybody likes, comments, shares, and views my videos, and if you're new, welcome to this small corner of YouTube that is our community. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!